Welcome to the research fields here at Spring Meadow Nursery. I'm Dr. Judson LeCompte, and I'm excited to be able to share with you 4 of our new hydrangea paniculata introductions. Years ago, we released Limelight hydrangea to the industry. It hit the industry with great success. Today, I want to share with you the next generation. This is Limelight Prime. In the South, when we grew Limelight, a lot of times we would see it fade from green into white. Limelight Prime is going to keep that green color in the inflorescence, and if you'll notice, the stems are extra stiff. So when you have these large panicles, it's going to stay pointing straight up in the air. Also, Limelight did have a little bit of a problem of getting a little bit chlorotic or yellowing in the leaves. If you look here, Limelight Prime is nice and dark. And out here, we are in full sun in Michigan. These plants are put through the worst, and they come out looking beautifully. Right now, Limelight Prime's inflorescences are a nice shade of green. As we get further along in the season, it is going to age into a gorgeous bubblegum pink and then finally hit it with a nice fruit punch color. It is really going to show out in the fall landscape. Here in our research fields, all of our hydrangea paniculatas are grown in full sun, but we're in Michigan. If you're a little bit further south, in the deep south, paniculatas make a great plant. However, I really recommend that you plant them in at least a little bit of part shade or even full shade. These are one of the toughest hydrangeas that we have. They're going to be super drought tolerant once established and going to make your garden beautiful all season. Limelight Prime is going to have a mature height of 4 to 6 feet. If you're going to live in one of our warmer regions, you're going to get closer to that higher end of 6 feet. But here in Michigan, you can see I'm about 6 feet tall, so we're right about 5 feet, 4 feet, somewhere in there. But it's definitely going to have that upright growth habit, so it's not going to be a big, massive thing that's going to take up too much of the landscape. It's really going to make a nice focal point in the garden. Coming off the heels of the massive success of Limelight, we're so excited to be able to release Limelight Prime. We know you're going to love it.